Have you ever looked at a brand designer or a brand strategist and thought, "Phew, that much money for branding? You gotta be crazy, you're not worth that." Well, you would be completely right. And today, I'm gonna tell you why you should never hire a brand designer. Let's go. Branding, graphic design, logos, no way that stuff is worth it. Brand strategists? Like, the fact that somebody would have the audacity to come in and tell you how you can better reach your audience, like, who do they think they are? You're the business owner, you've got the great product, you know what your customers want. Why would you pay a brand strategist to come in and tell you how to talk to people? And logo design? Like, what a scam that is, am I right? I pay a guy $5,000 for a logo, he whips it out in like 2 hours. No way you should invest in that. Listen, you could pay your niece $10 an hour for 10 hours of work and have her create something on Microsoft Paint. You'll come out way ahead of the competition because you just saved $4,900 that you didn't sink into a tiny little icon. Branding, graphic design, that stuff's for the corporate world where they've just got gobs of money lying around and they don't know who to spend it on other than these worthless people who went to art school. Next time you're hiring a creative professional, just remember, you know best anyway, and creatives always work best when you just completely step on their toes, get your hands right in their design work and tell them how you think it should be done. If you enjoyed this encouragement, go ahead and drop a like, and I hope you have a great April 1st. I'll see you in the next video.